You can utilize AI to help you plan a great National School Counselor Week. Well, hello, school counselors and school counselors to be. Thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, The Inspiring School Counselor. And today, you guys, we are talking about how you can utilize AI to help you plan a great National School Counselor Week. Yes, you guys. I said AI. And what better way than to get everything together, especially with it coming up in these next couple of weeks, than to use things such as AI, artificial intelligence, to kind of help you get your thoughts together. I cannot believe that I'm saying this, but we are living in the world where AI is definitely emerging, and it's emerging fast. In fact, I know it has been the talk over the past couple of years and probably even more than that, you guys, and just to see how it is really emerging in the educational system and specifically school counselors using it. Why haven't I used this sooner? I'm going to be showing you guys two platforms that I like to utilize to kind of help me get all of my ideas and things together for events such as National School Counselor Week. And I want to share this with you because, you guys, the job is not to work harder, it's to work smarter, all right? So that's what we need to do. All right, you guys. So the first platform that I'm going to be taking you guys on is the Magic School platform. And what I love is that when you guys get on here, it's going to give you this message that you guys see, which is best practices for AI usage. You guys take the time to really look through that because it can be so easy to get so wrapped up in AI and just everything looks good, everything's together, to where you forget to check for bias. You don't do the 80-20 approach where, okay, you let AI do 80%, but make sure you come back in with that 20% and fix things and kind of, make things the way it should be, just in case AI has missed some stuff, right? And then your judgment matters. That's very important. And I love that they point that out because AI generated content as a starting point, but not the final version. You have to keep that in mind. And nobody has time for plagiarism. All right. And then the last thing that they say, which I absolutely love, is protect privacy. Now, as school counselors, we do know a lot about confidentiality, but especially when you are uploading things, sometimes things can be missed. So you just want to make sure that you keep that in mind. But what I also love about Magic School is that they'll try to do their best with trying to remove any accidental submitted information. But at the end of the day, y'all, don't rely on AI. Make sure that you are double checking and double checking. So one of the things I want to point out to you guys is that Magic School is absolutely free. As you guys can see, you can sign up and you can get the free account, but there are some things that they have on here that you might want to utilize that it might have to be that you pay a certain amount. Okay, so you want to just make sure that you keep in mind. So you're going to go to that upgraded area and you can kind of read through. But I say if you're just starting off, just kind of play around with it, see if it's something that you can actually see yourself doing before you actually start trying to purchase anything. And as y'all can see, I have the Magic School Plus, which is this right here. I did not pay for this at all. I just signed up for it and I'm on this trial that they put me on. So that's what I really love too, is that if you want to be put on a little trial to kind of just try it out to see what you would like, that automatically will happen for you if you want that. Okay, so just make sure you guys keep that in mind. And actually, I think it does automatically happen because I did not put any cards or anything in. They just kind of let me, try out the trial, and here we go. All right, so now the place that we want to get to is this, which is called Raina Chatbot. This is the place where all the magic is going to happen, okay? So you are, maybe a week or so before National School Counselor Week, and you're like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I need to come up with something quick, fast, in a hurry that can just put things together for me. Well, this is what you might want to utilize, which is Magic School, okay? So if you go here, you're going to type in whatever it is that you want Raina, the chatbot, to look up, okay? So for instance, I actually already done this, but I'm just going to copy and paste what I put in before, which is give me some National School Counseling Week ideas to do for elementary school, all right? As the more detailed you are, the more detailed the chatbot can be. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And even if you go around and you go along and you send something and you see, oh man, I want more detail on this particular spot right here, then you can obviously put that into the chatbot and ask for more details. And I'll share with you guys as we go along. So once you put that in there, all you're going to do is hit send, and she's doing her thinking. And look at you guys, she is laying it out for you, okay? So no worries, she laying everything out for you. And I'm just going to share with you guys, once again, I said, give me some National School Counseling Week ideas to do for elementary school. And this is the layout. So she gave me, you could do classroom guidance lessons. It can be theme-based lessons. And what I love is that not only does she give the points, and she gives like the sub-points along with a description, all right? So she says classroom guidance lessons, and they can be theme-based lessons, so organized lessons that focus on themes such as kindness, friendship, emotional regulation, use stories, activities to help students explore these topics, right? It's giving you an idea, but it's not really that descriptive. And that's what I mean by going into this send a message again to kind of see if she can give you a little bit more. But before I go on, let's look a little bit more. So it says you can do a counselor corner display. So it could be like an information booth that you might set up. You could do a spirit week, so dress up days. So create a spirit week with theme days like wear your favorite color day, crazy hair day, superhero day, appreciation activities, mindfulness activities, peer support programs. You guys, it goes, down here, and you can see everything right there, right? What I really love right here too, if you guys pay attention, she will also create some questions. So like this says, can you suggest some activities for students during that week? All right, that's something really good to utilize. But before I get there, one of the things that really stood out to me is Spirit Week. Now I'm all for a Spirit Week, okay? And so just by me looking at this is not really giving me all the details that I want. So I'm going to want to go down here in this little chat box, and I'm going to ask for more details on what to do for National School Counselor Week. Now, I want you to be specific when you're putting this in, because if you just say, give me some ideas to do dress up day ideas for National School Counselor Week, it might be based on the theme from last year, okay? So you definitely want to make sure that you keep that in mind. So you want to be specific. So I'm going to put students thrive. I hope I didn't mess that theme up, but it's around that, okay? So now look at what it's giving me. All right, already it is giving me, dress up days. So for instance, it says Garden of Growth Day. So you can do a dress up as flowers or plants. So encourage students to wear floral patterns or green clothing to symbolize growth and flourishing, representing how counselors help students thrive. So that could be on a Monday. On a Tuesday, you could do Superhero Day. So dress up as superheroes. Students can wear superhero costumes to celebrate the super support counselors provide. You have Career Day, so future career outfits that they can dress up like. Colorful Day, Pajama Day, Team Spirit Day. You guys, I absolutely love it. And I love the description that it gives as well to kind of just tie everything in together. So just looking at this alone, you guys, I didn't have to do much thinking. I just typed it in here and it done the work for me. And so, like I said, all I would do was just read through them, making sure I pick the ones that I like, because obviously I don't need 10 days worth. So I'll pick my 5, and then I could just put it together and it'll be all nice. And right here where it's already automated, questions that they're asking. So it says, can you suggest some specific outfits for each day of the week? Or what activities can we incorporate to celebrate this theme? Absolutely love that. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to click on that one. And look what she gives us. A total layout right here. So you can do a Thrive tree, so interactive display, create a large paper tree in a common area where students can add leaves with their names and a personal growth or a personal goal or something they are grateful for. That is really good. And can you make that tree and everything within a week? Yeah, it could probably happen. It can happen. And so I really do love that. And so during that week, you can have kids work on that. Or if you have time, maybe the end part of the week next week, you can have kids working on that. So that's something to keep in mind. So number 2 is you can do a positive affirmation wall. So you can do affirmation messages. So set up a wall where students can write positive affirmations or encourage messages for themselves or peers, promoting a supportive environment. That's really good. You have growth mindset workshops that you can do. Another thing that I love is that it lists Thrive Scavenger Hunt. Who doesn't like a good scavenger hunt, right? So it says create a scavenger hunt around the school with clues related to thriving skills such as teamwork, kindness, problem solving. Include fun tasks at each stop. Now, this alone right here it sounds like a lot of fun, but I know that I would need help. So that is something that I would actually, ask Raina to help me with. I said, please provide me with further details on the Thrive scavenger hunt. So I click that, put that through, and look what it's giving me. So I'm actually needing a little bit more information. So you're really going to have to pull, depending on what it is. You might have to pull a whole lot to kind of get these clues. So let me see if I could just put. So look at this. Isn't this cool? Like literally you're just building off of each one. So, and look at it gives us the clues, y'all. Like, let me tell you, Raina has your back, okay? If you want Magic School, you decide to use this, Raina will have your back, all right? So it says teamwork clue. It says clue. To find your next task, you'll need to work as a team. Go to the place where you gather to learn and solve this puzzle together. Location, classroom, or library. All right. So this is the clue. And then the kids will have to think, okay, where is a place that you would have to work together to figure this out? Right. Let's do this kindness clue. It says a little kindness goes a long way. Find a friend and write them a note to brighten their day. Your next clue is where we share our books. And then look, the kids will have to go to the library. So I really do love this. It breaks it down for us, you guys. Look what you have to do. All you have to do is ask follow-up questions or ask for further details, and Raina will do it for you. All right, so that is Magic School. Really good things that you can grasp for that. And what I really love is that you don't have to just do it for National School Counselor Week. Any type of event that you're putting on, you can type it in Magic School and also this other platform that I'm going to share with you guys, and it will give you the layout. All right, it will help you get all your thoughts together. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys the next platform, which is ChatGPT, and it is very much similar to Magic School. I actually been using ChatGPT longer than I have Magic School, and let me tell you guys, I absolutely love it. Okay, and so this is the same concept. All you have to do is write in here what it is that you want ChatGPT to look up for you. So I put, give me some National School Counselor Week ideas to do for elementary school. Now, I'm actually going to change it and just put high school, just to kind of show another, school level. And let's see what it comes up with. Look at this, you guys. It is working for me, okay? I absolutely love this. So it says, daily theme activities you can do. So you have Motivation Monday. So share inspirational quotes or success stories of students who have benefited from counseling services. Tuesday can be Thankful Tuesday. So encourage students to write a thank you notes to staff or do a wall of gratitude, which is very, very good. And it could be for the counselors. So that's something really good that you can get the staff involved to help, get this stuff going, right? You have Wellness Wednesday, so host a stress relief session with activities like meditation, yoga, mindfulness exercises, which is really good. So you guys can just read through there. And then it shows like some social media and awareness campaigns that you can do. You have appreciation and recognition that you can do. So maybe a small breakfast or lunch for counselors. So maybe you are a teacher or a principal that's looking up some ideas. Well, look right here is what you can do. Now, if you are a school counselor and you just want to show appreciation to the faculty and staff for supporting you, this is something that you can do if you want a small breakfast or lunch for the faculty and staff. You have student engagement activities, so you can do a self-care station. Maybe you want to do that while the kids are in the cafeteria. They can walk by and, do coloring pages, motivational quotes, and all of that. You can also do an interactive counseling office initiatives. So a lot of great stuff that they give you even here on ChatGPT. And what I really love too is that you can also do follow-up questions. So definitely you can play around with this ChatGPT, and you can also play around with Magic School, and you guys can really reap the benefits of just using these platforms, okay? And let me tell you guys, like I said, the object of being a school counselor is not to work harder, it's to work smarter, because you have a lot of things to do, from individual counseling, meeting with community leaders, 504, scheduling, all these different things. You guys, the last thing you need to be doing is spending countless hours of just trying to come up with things and just coming up with things on the top of your head and just really working your brain, honey, when you have something that can help you. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys so much for your time. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.